Hi, today I'm going to be teaching you how to log into the Agriculture Experience Tracker, also known as the AET. So first off, we're going to go to the website. I have a link right here, but if you will just put in theaet.com into your website or internet browser, you will be able to go directly to this page. It's going to pop up and it looks just like this. Okay, now all students will have already been given a login password. So first off, we're going to come up here, log in, and then we're going to come over here to where it says student login. Okay, for all of those in the Twila FFA chapter, we will come here and our chapter number is capital UT0045. Then the username, I've made just a password for myself and just a dummy account that we will use here. And so first off, we will go here and it will be T Bevan. So all of our accounts, the username is usually going to be the first letter of your first name and then your last name, and then your password 12345, and that helps you log in. And it comes up to this. Don't save your password, especially if you're using a school computer. That way your password and your account won't be able to be hacked into as easily. Okay, once we're at this page, this is called the dashboard. First thing we're going to do is set up our profile. So come here to the profile, manage and edit your personal profile and password. And then we're going to come right here, okay, demographics. Now, this is really cool because once we put this information into your AET profile, it's going to transfer all of this stuff right directly into your FFA application. So we'll do 10/12/1999. Okay, high school graduation. We're gonna just fib here, June of 2019. Okay, you don't have to put your shirt size, it just works if you can. Please select gender if you feel able to do so. Race, if you do this as well, this just helps with the FFA as we are filling out some of our demographic information. So we're going to go, and I live rural farm. Save that. And it'll give us this information right here saying how much of our profile is complete. Put in our address. And here's the really neat thing. Once you start typing it, it's going to come up. And it just pops into there. And it just uses Google Maps to do this. Save it. And you can see I have everything here. Now, if I'll continue on, contact information, this is really good. When we set up your account, we put your email address already in there, but we can put our phone number in. It saves everything that way, and then we can keep going. So now one thing I'm going to remind you, you can see I almost messed up. Make sure you capitalize everything as you're going through this, because this is going to make it so that it will transfer directly into your applications and it'll look more professional. The way you type it in is the way that it transfers. And then this information, it just helps to, again, fill out this information that we have to report to the National FFA. And then save. Okay, you can see everything has come up right here. This is kind of your get started point. Next, you'll move on. You can record your classes. Our next video that we'll show you will include how to start a project or experience. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Thanks.